This video explains the word restitution in 60 seconds. Ready? Let's begin. Illustrations. Meaning. Restitution is a noun. Restitution is an act of restoring something to its original state or compensating for the damage done. For example, you can say, he was ordered to pay a restitution. Pronunciation.
Restitution.
Usage.
Trust, property, restitution and the like, where the common law
Quiz. How would you say that the alliance demanded the return of land? The alliance demanded the restitution of land. Visit accenthero.com to get free personalized feedback on pronunciation of restitution.